Powerful. Brown. Pink. It's Captain Flamingo! Tired of being a kid in a world built for grown-ups, Milo Powell decided to become a superhero. He's a shining beacon of justice for kids everywhere.
He's Captain Flamingo.
With his powerful novelty items. And trusty sidekick Elizabeth.
He's Captain Flamingo.
Look out for the colorful and clueless Captain Flamingo. In Flamingo Vision where available. A mighty battle rages beneath these majestic maples. For today, Lemming Scouts Milo and Wendell compete for the most coveted Lemming Scout badge of all. The Run for Your Life badge.
You'll never make it, Milo. I'm a full eighth of an inch taller. That's all the edge I need.
Not this time. You may have tried me for the cement mixing badge, and the snappy comeback badge, and the leprechaun badge, and the hotel management badge, but this time I'm gonna win!
Nice work, Lemmings!
Go, Milo, you can do it! Milo's actually doing it! He's finally gonna beat Wendell! It's a kid in trouble! Huh?
It looks dire, Captain. Apparently Sanjay was so into his cruddy buddy's mystery book, he didn't notice the mud patch in his yard.
He's always got his nose in one of those books. Flamingo!
Yo, Sanjay, we're right here.
Oh, hi! What are you guys doing here?
You're stuck in the mud!
I am? Huh? Oh, right, I am! Oh, you have to get me out of here. In half hour, I have to go visit my Dadaji.
That's his grandpa.
Finally, an easy problem. All we have to do is pull you out, clean you up, and send you away.
Wait! You forgot about Dookie Doo.
Dookie Doo?
Yes, Dookie Doo, the friendliest, miniaturest, lovingest chihuahua in the world.
Unfortunately, Dookie Doo is also the slobberiest, thriftingest, droolingest dog in the world.
But she loves you, Captain. And she's so cute.
No, Dookie Doo. Down, girl. Stay away.
Who's a good doggy? You are. Yes, you are.
How does such a tiny dog make so much slobber?
We're gonna need a plan to get past that little cutie patootie and rescue Sanjay.
Hey, Sanjay! Can you call your dog and keep her quiet? Sanjay!
Huh? Oh, hi, guys. What are you doing here?
You called me. You're stuck in the mud.
I am? Oh! Oh! I am! Uh-oh!
Flamingo! I'm right here.
Oh, good. Then I can get back to my book. Oh, Chudley Cruddy is about to check out the ruins of an ancient Mayan ice cream parlor.
What's the plan, Captain?
Yes! My super spinner with cheese promotional yo-yo from Burger Trought's Kids Meal Deal. See that tree across the yard? Bingo! Right on target! I scuttle back across, grab Sanjay, and scuttle back safely above that four-legged slobber machine.
That's just crazy enough to work. Except there might be one problem.
Krabby is about to cross the dangerous river of suspense.
Now what, Captain?
Plan B. B stands for balloon and bada boomerang.
B stands for brilliant. You toss a bat boomerang to distract Dookie Doo. Then you float over the mud suspended by the balloon and rescue Sanjay. So simple, so flawless.
Exactly. What could possibly go wrong? Here, Dookie Doo. Here, girl. Fetch the stick. Hang on, Sanjay. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Anytime now. Yeah. Sanjay! Yo! Give me your hand!
Okay, just let me find out how Cuddly Cruddy escapes from the coughing sarcophagus. Uh-oh.
Oh, no. Stay back.
So, plan C?
Only there was some way to distract Dookie Doo.
I know, a treat.
Well, all I've got is a bunch of these meaterific meat-like meat sticks.
Staring into the muzzle of such overwhelming doggy love, there is only one thing a true blue superhero can do.
Oh my gosh,
That's right, you're stuck. The captain's on it.
Oh, just a second. I want to find out how Noodly escapes the sting of the scorpion brooch.
Oh, brother. I hope the captain's doing better than I am.
Good morning, Milo.
No way! They're heading right back to the park. And the Lemming Scouts. Sanjay, don't panic. I'll be right back. Ugh.
Huh? Oh my gosh, I'm stuck.
Bet for more, Milo?
Nice work, Lemming.
Wow, look at that little square-shaped boy go.
Oh no! Dookie Doo's slobber is making the rope too slippery!
Aha! I was right. The Maharaja faked his own kidnapping. Oh my gosh, I have to leave in 2 minutes.
Uh-oh! Flamingo!
Great time, Captain. And that should take care of Sanjay.
Hooray, that's Mom. It's time to go see Dadaji.
Thanks, Captain Flamingo!
Incredible, Captain. You did it. Again.
Well done, boys. Congratulations to both of you for getting your badges. And Milo, it was so wonderful of you to help your dear relative Wendell along. It must be cousinly love. of you completed it with exactly the same time.
I think I was an eighth of a second faster.
Come on, Wendell. There's no way you could possibly...
Yes, so you were.
Told you. Must be my height advantage.
Oh, well. In a world where even noble victory can be soured by a crummy cousin, there is one eternal consolation. Who loves that little square-shaped boy?
We do.
Captain Flamingo! Looking out for kids in a big, big way! Oh, beautiful Halverston. And, well, here, an oasis of quiet amidst the... I said, it's an oasis of quiet. No, an oasis of... Is anyone listening? It sounds like someone's wrestling bagpipes or something. Wait, could it be that Milo Powell is locked in mortal combat with a demented supervillain? No, it's even worse. He's grappling with his cat, Dish Rag.
Shrag, you have to go to the vet! This is harder than getting a diaper on Thor. Come on, Dish Rag. Don't you want to get your checkup so you can be a big, strong super cat?
Apparently not.
Yeah. Come on, we gotta catch her!
It's quiet.
Too quiet. Where could she be? Dish Rag! I'll chase her. You get the carrier ready. Got you now. Dish Rag! Okay, this time for sure.
Watch out, Milo! Hose.
Just get me out of here.
Uh-oh! Flamingo!
Captain, it's a kid!
In trouble! Let's go!
But Captain, what about the vet?
The vet can wait, but it doesn't sound like poor Abby can. But outside, wasn't it just... Wow, crazy weather we're having.
I don't think this is snow, Captain.
Okay, Abby, let's hear it.
I was standing on the chair, not doing anything, except just reaching for a cookie. When I kinda, not on purpose and totally accidentally, missed. So the sugar knocked over the flour, which knocked over the salt, which knocked over the oatmeal, which knocked over the baking soda, and then the whole damn thing. Mom says I shouldn't stand on chairs. You know why?
No time! We've got to rescue you from the storm. Now, obviously, what we'll need is a rescue sled and a sled dog, or the next best thing, a super sled cat and an inflatable rubber ducky life preserver. Now, how can I... Hey. Push, Dish Rag! Push!
Or not.
Mosh, come on! Don't you want to save the day?
I think that'd be a no. Any ideas?
Just one old standby. Avi, reach in the fridge and pull out the tuna.
Why do I ever doubt you?
That's it! Mush, you husky! Mush!
Kinda slow, isn't she?
Hey, what do you want? I'm working with a cat and a rubber duck here.
Whenever my mom makes tuna sandwiches, she always puts pickles in them.
Abby, no! The vinegar from the pickles will react with the baking soda.
Huh?
What does big curtains for Captain Flamingo? Has our hero been conquered by mere baking soda and pickle juice?
Swim, everybody! If we're lucky, we can make it to that island!
Island?
The kitchen island! Over there!
Oh.
Wow! This is lucky. We can survive here for weeks while we figure out a way to escape.
I always hoped if I got stranded on a desert island, it'd be with you.
That would be the worst case, though, Lisbeth.
Right.
Best case is we get Abby out of this mess.
And fast, because my mom's in the backyard. She could be back any second.
There's no reason to panic, Abby. My bird brain will think of something. That's it! The fan! Here you go, fan hats.
Lucky you have 3 hats, Captain.
I always have extras. No fan hat emergency is ever small, Lisbeth. Ready? Activate your hat!
Hey, it's working! Abby, no! You've got to stay forward!
Wait! This calls for heavy machinery. The Super Bulldoze-O-Matic 6000! This should get rid of Ooze!
Captain.
Operating this baby requires complete Hey, wait, this rag!
At this rate, the Super Bulldoze-O-Matic 6000 won't finish cleaning this room till next March. Abby's mom is coming up the walk right now!
Good point. Time for overdrive. Okay, maybe not. Any other ideas?
Look, a vacuum! That'll solve all our problems.
Of course. The noise will scare Dish Rag away so the Super Bulldoze-O-Matic 6000 can keep scooping.
No, I meant you could vacuum up.
See? Now that Dish Rag's out of the way, I can get the... Uh-oh. Look out. Dish Rag! The syrup!
Wait a minute! I'm beginning to see the brilliance of your plan.
You are? I mean, of course you are. Bye. Bye.
I'm back from next door, Abby. Anything happen while I was gone? The kitchen! It's even cleaner than when I left. It's as if someone washed the walls and ceiling with vinegar and baking soda.
Well, actually...
I'm going to have to give one very special little boy very special little reward. Here's a cookie.
No! Thanks, Captain Flamingo. Captain?
Dish Rag, come back!
Oh my! Thanks, Captain Flamingo!
No charge! Dish Rag!
Hey, that cat! Ball just stole my newspaper!
Sorry, mister. cleaned up into the vet.
I think she's gonna get there herself. Look!
It worked. I actually got dish rag to the vet. Good kitty.
Well, hello, Milo. Is Dish Rag ready for her shots?
Shots.
Shots.
Dish rag!
Yes, this may look like a quiet suburban neighborhood,
Dish rag!
but there's always another adventure around the corner for Captain Flamingo!
Dish rag!
Captain Flamingo! Looking out for kids in a big way.
Rag!
Captain Flamingo supports wildlife everywhere.